Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we're going to talk about the custom build that we were showing you guys previously. So now we have the mounting bracket for the backlit, and we are going to install the liquid cooler. So let's go ahead and have a look at it. Alright guys, so we have the computer up and running just now with the liquid cooler, and we are on the BIOS. Everything's running properly. The temperatures are below 25 Celsius, so the liquid cooler is working okay, and it's taking all the heat out of the processor with the proper bracket that we put on it. Alright guys, so we're in the BIOS right now. This is his AMD Ryzen 5, 8 gigs of RAM on this build. And if you go to here, you got all the temperatures, CPU, motherboard, the speed of your fan, if you have a chassis fan as well. We're going to run a benchmark and make sure that it doesn't overheat and shut down itself. Alright guys, so if you have any questions on any custom builds or repairs, please leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.